So here we have the Mini Cooper S convertible automatic on a 63 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can of course see that it's a convertible and that it's got two doors. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have the twin tailpipes. Given the fact that it's a convertible, we have a decent amount of boot space in there as well, and a 50-50 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see that it is in fantastic condition and a great looking car as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You've got the full leather seats, as you can see. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter, the digital readout for the speedometer, and beneath that, the total miles for this car, which are 56,830. It'll also show you in that section what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so we're in park at the moment. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have stereo and phone controls, cruise control, and paddles so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox, should you wish to do that. Over in the center, we have the main screen for the car, which includes satellite navigation, as you can see. The movement that I'm making on the screen at the moment is being done using this dial just here. So you can rotate it to any of these options. So for example, if you want to pair your phone, push that dial down, you're then in that menu and you can pair up your phone from there. When it comes to music in this car, we have the radio, of course. This car's got DAB, AM and FM radio, as you can see. If you want to listen to your own music, you do so under this heading, where you'll find USB input, Bluetooth audio, auxiliary input, and a CD player as well. Working our way down from there, you'll find the CD player, the volume for the stereo, and then climate control for the car. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is off at the moment. This button turns it on and it's on when that light shows. Same button to turn it off, of course. Or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking full control of both the fan speed and direction of the air. Press auto again and you go back to whatever setting you had that on previously. We have a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same over here for the passenger side. We have our driver front electric window, passenger front electric window, and this button will do both of the rear windows down simultaneously. Deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. Front and rear fog lights as well. USB and auxiliary input are down there. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. Last thing I wanted to mention is, of course, the roof. We have a button up here that will, first of all, open just this front section to give you a kind of sunroof. Go back to the button again. All of the windows will go down a little bit in order that the roof can release from its latches at the front and fold into place. And as you can see, really quick operation to get the roof down. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.